how to cancel CenturyLink internet step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your CenturyLink application, or you can get into the web version of CenturyLink.com too. Then from there, simply make sure that you are signed into your account or logged into your account. So after successfully logging into your account, now you'll need to get into your account, right? For that, you can simply tap on the gear-like icon right here and get into the settings, or you can even tap on account if you want to. Both are the same things. If you simply tap on the settings here, you'll actually be able to get your account. Simply tap on my account, and then after tapping on my account, you'll be able to see cancel service or launch customer chat. What you're going to do is simply find that option and then simply tap on it. So in there, you'll actually be able to confirm cancellation date and return the rented modem within the 30 days. Simply chat with them and talk to them about your cancellation and everything. They will be able to assist you. Alternatively, you can even call them on their customer service customer service line, or you can actually get their number online very easily. You can call them Monday to Friday anytime, and I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out.